inside the jungle.
Deep inside the it's Jungle Junction. It's Jungle Junction. And when you meet buses run on high street roads with wheels instead of feet at Jungle Junction. At Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. As Zero zooms around, he keeps the jungle running right. Got a message, Elephant the elephant is ready day at night. Hello, that fussy bunny bungo wants to know what around. Are you? Wanna meet with me? To the Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction Junction. The Jungle Junction. There's 104 days of summer vacation. And that's the annual problem for our generations. Finding a good way to spend it. Like maybe we're in Jungle Junction. I was something that doesn't exist. In a monkey a shower. Jiggles out of waste. In a box of moving spray. What are you missing? As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall. It's not simple, boss, I'm gonna do it all.
Mom! Phineas and Ferb are making a title sequence!
What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, hey, Toad Hog. I'm just trying to do my sing-alongs. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, hey, Toad Hog. Why would you do that before you had to make it exist? I don't know, because personalities don't get that right. Might even show. What are you two doing? Oh, hey, Crocker. You might even tell anyone else, like, no way. I would not hate this job anymore. What do you mean? Hate your job? I should have taken down the Beetlebugs. I know, but it'll be here when I get home. But you said you hate your life. You said you never know. You said. Yeah. Dang, what is up with Crocker? I don't know. Oh, well, guess what? Hiccup! Hey, go, Toad Hog. Wait, what's up with the coughing? I don't know, but you got coronavirus? Hiccup! Let's see here. Oh, yes, a little lighter, please. Oh, good. Interesting. Oh, very interesting. He has the hiccups.
I know that.
I'm gonna get rid of them. Who is Toad Hog?
Hiccups just
Have to go away by themselves.
It's nothing to worry about. Well, that's terrific. But
What?
all our traffic lights still have no power. And Toad Hog's the only one who can fix it. Well, unless you know another way to power the lights, you'll just have to wait until Toad Hog's hiccups go away. Another
Wait, catch it.
Come here. Hi, everybody. I have an idea. What are you doing hanging around
Run.
that Toad Hog?
Hog, get it? Hanging around.
Wait for it. Around. Wait for it. Wait for it. Not like that, Toad Hog.
Get-
Get it?
Hanging around.
Hanging around. Very funny. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Hiccup. Hiccup! Hiccup!
Voila!
Hiccup!
Hiccup power! Or another way to fix the lights.
Oh, Frank! Oh, thank God!
Hiccup power!
Everyone, let's have a big cheer for Toad Hog.
What? What's this? What's all this? I don't know, but it might tell anyone it's going too far from here. What? What did you say about my mama? Oh, nothing. Nothing, Crooker. You're gonna be Studios' company. When I heard that, B Studios said I had to take it down there. So what have I had to do? I don't know. It just took somewhere down there. It just took from other trash can. Of course. What you always have to do was a Duda. Duda? Did someone say Duda? Give me your Duda. Cracker. I know enough. Well, this ain't no kids anymore. Hey, Beetlebugs, what's going on? Sub-Zooter. What's all of it? What's all of this, dude? This calls for more interesting things. This one is right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Hello. Maybe you guys can help me. Which way should this pineapple go? That one. Yes. Good job. This pineapple goes out here. Miss Jolly, what is this? Oh, that's the doodah fruit. It happens for every single 2 years. Hiccup! 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 Oh! Sup? Lawrence, you have one situation here. B Studio says we need to go down there. That's not what you mean. Miss Jolly. I'm zipping. You said you were hate for your job application. We got to just go there for more than 5,000 years. So that's the easy way. I'm coming, Toad Hog. I'm coming to beat you up. Oh, no, you don't. You ain't taking to beat me up, lads. Well, that's my idea. Pretty nuts. I'm totally not sure. Simple Bus, you scared me. Oh, sorry, Miss Jolly. I had to take one understanding for a reason. What does that mean? I don't know. Some personality said that I would not understand this anymore. I'm totally not sure because Bungo had to take one down. Actually, it's taking more. I'm worried, teacher. Now, what was the reason? Bungo, I have a job to do, so out of my way. Ow, 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 ow. Shaky, 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 a makey, 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 a shaky, shaky, shaky. Taxi crab? Yes? What in the name of God, Lord of Jesus is going on? I don't know. Go in the name of the Lord! I do not understand this anymore. If you understand like this, click one of these click one of these videos to show more Jungle Junction with Elivan and Zooter. I'm in the same